Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. Corporate Finance Institute, that is CFI, is conducting a free program called the CFI Accelerator Challenge, through which you can learn Excel for data analysis in just 7 days, and you can also earn a certificate after completing the program. So we'll see about this in detail in this video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And just a small update regarding Coursera Plus. So I hope you all know about Coursera. It's a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from 275 plus top companies and universities like Google, Amazon, IBM, Microsoft, Duke University, University of Illinois, and a lot more companies and universities are offering courses via Coursera e-learning platform. So if you want to purchase any course in Coursera, instead of buying that single course, you can opt for Coursera Plus subscription, because with the subscription you will get unlimited access to 7,000 plus world-class courses, and not only that, you can get job-ready certificate programs and lot more things are available for you in it. So you can get all these things with one subscription, that is Coursera Plus. So if you're interested in this, just check out the link in description for Coursera Plus subscription. And now let's move on and see about the CFI Accelerator Challenge, in which you can learn Excel for data analysis in just 7 days. So this is a 7 days training program in which you can learn how to use Excel for data analysis. So Excel is being used in different industries for different purposes, but when it comes to data analysis, it is getting even more important, because a lot of people are using it to get deeper insights of any data, and they're also making a decision based on data. So that's why Excel is more important for professionals around data field in these days. So if you want to learn Excel for data analysis, you can just go for this CFI Accelerator Challenge. So this is a 7 days program, like I mentioned earlier. In this 1 week program, you can learn how to look up data with a variety of methods. You can learn how to highlight key messages with conditional formatting, and you'll learn how to create insights with Excel functions and formulas. You'll also learn to analyze data with Excel tables and dynamic arrays. You'll learn to structure and visualize data with Excel charts. You'll also see where your Excel skills are currently with a qualified assessment as well. So after you complete this program, you can also earn a certificate for fundamentals of data analysis in Excel. For that, you need to complete the supplemental coursework. So there will be some daily challenges. You need to complete that, and after that you have to take the qualified assessment, which is a simple test. So you can just take that, and once you pass that exam or assessment, you will be able to earn your certificate. So you can also earn a free certificate after completing this challenge, and you can also learn Excel for data analysis in just 7 days. So make use of it. So now let me tell you how this program works. So this is not a normal course. The method will be a bit different. So once you sign up for the program, every day they'll give you a workbook, and it will have all the instructions regarding the program. I mean, regarding the daily lessons and exercises. You have to learn from it, and then you have to do the exercise. And at the end of the program, you can take the assessment and get your certificate. So it's a simple process. Once you sign up, you'll receive workbook every day for 7 days. And you can learn from it and do the exercises. That's it. And you can also get this certificate and share it on your resume, and you can also add it in your LinkedIn profile as well. So now to register for this program, all you need to do is just fill out this form here. Just give your first name, last name, and give your email address, and click on this register button and register for this program. And apart from this Excel for data analysis program, which you can take now, Corporate Finance Institute is also offering free courses and lot more topics. They have more than 20 plus free courses. So I'll give you this link in description. Come to this page and check here the 20 plus CFI free courses which are currently available. So you can see here they have courses for accounting, and then corporate finance, banking, capital IQ fundamentals, fundamentals of credit. Lot more courses are available for you here. So you can simply click on enroll for free and enroll in any course that you want. For these courses also, they will give you a certificate. You just need to pass the assessment. So if you are interested in this, you can also check this out. So I hope you will find this CFI Accelerator Challenge program very useful. I hope you learned something out of it. So if you want to get more updates about online courses or online learning programs like this, do subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon, so that you will get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.